Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Yadesh here from Lifestyle Aqua, and our website is lifestyleaqua.com. You can just go visit there. And this video is all gonna be about Arowana, and it's a farm tour. All species, what category they are, what category they belong to, and everything about this Arowana. After a very long time, we are back with the Arowana, and this video is all gonna be about Arowana. Variety, quality, and what sizes they are, everything will be there. And yeah, don't forget to visit my website lifestyleaqua.com, and let's get back to the video. I'm gonna choose how I'm gonna display Highback, RTG, Super Highback, all this. I'll put it in the tank and show you the video sideways. You can just enjoy them, have a look. Let's get back to the video after a long time. I feel Arowana is everything, that's what I feel. So even though I had so many variety of fishes, goldfish, other variety, tropical fishes, tetras, everything. The moment I see Arowana, I get my energy back. So Arowana is my energy drink, I guess. Let's have. This was our previous goldfish shipment. We have got Arowana goldfish. All these are Arowana goldfish. Size of 3 inch, 3.5 inch. So we have so many of this Arowana goldfish. Every size, all are imported. Thailand imported. They are giant Arowana. They grow in a bigger size, and we have A grade, B grade, everything we have at very good price. Soon this fish will be available on our website. Also, you can go check on that. And now this, I'm just showing you. You can see how the quality is. You can see this fish, big tail. All are imported Arowanas. And we have calicos also. You saw all the goldfish. Now next thing I'm going to show you is Arowana. Cover le lo Marcus. And this is red tail golden. Let me put the fish in the tank. I'm gonna show you. Red tail golden Arowana. RTG. And this fins, you don't have to worry, they'll grow back within a week. They fight a lot because they're in the tub with many other fishes. Around 7-inch fish, high grade. This is around 8-inch fish. Yeah. See ya, 8-inch. 8-inch plus 21 cm, including barbel 22-23 cm. So our prices, our measurement for the fish is based on the scale. We don't randomly say 6-inch fish, 8-inch. You can see this fish. 8-inch means it's 8-inch. See, 8-inch, 21 cm, mouth to tail tip, and this is 7-inch fish. Before measuring, I can measure the fish through my eyes. see 7.5, 19, 18 cm, 19 cm. So yeah, this is red tail golden, and next fish I'm going to show you is highback golden. Usually, no, red tail golden, when you buy other farm, other fish, no, they'll have 3 scale shining, but our RTG has 4 scale and some has even what 5th scale showing up. But assumingly, let's stick together with 4 scale. So RTG will have 4 scale shining, and the entire on top it will be like dark black, pitch black. There will be no scale; it will be skin. So that's how we differ RTG and highback. So highback will have 4.5 but 5 scale, but other than the level of scale, percentage of gold on every rim, this fish will have 15% or to 20% in the border. They'll have gold rim. Highback will have little bit more, because in this 18 size you will only can find maximum 5 scale. You can't find anything more than that, and 24K will be on crossover. So if RTG is 3, if highback is 4, and if super highback is 5, and 24K is 6, it doesn't work that way. So it works like this. It will have 4 scale color, and the rim will be 15%, and the tail will be red tail, and here this tail will be black, here it will be red. So these fishes are trained on pellets, and you can come close, I'll show you. You can see the blue color, purplish color. So my RTG will have, you can see, the bluish scales, you can see. So my RTG will always have a base color. So few RTGs, no, very lower grade fishes, they'll have grey color. The base color itself will be black or grey. So my RTG base color will be a bit bluish or greenish or purple, something close to like a peacock color. I mean, whatever peacock feathers has color, no, in that variant. Might be green, might be greenish, purple, or purple, bluish, but not grey. Definitely not grey. And next I'm gonna catch is highback. So we are just catching random fishes. And yeah, many people wonder why the Arowana is so calm. We use stabilizers because when we handle fishes, no, we don't. I don't want to break their scale or damage their, barbell and all. Okay. Now here is the highback golden. This is highback golden, not super highback. Highback golden. You can see the color. From bottom you count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th 5 scale, 4.5 to 5 scale. So if someone is expectation is too high, I would say don't keep any expectation. We will give you the best fishes and we will send you the video. And this fish has 4.5 to 5 scale, 5.5 a bit. Same way here. So we consider highback 5. Any fish which has more than 4 scale, like 4.5 or close to 5, we consider that fish as highback. So one in few will get a bit more. And look at this fish. The size is around 7 to 8 inches in size. They are not smaller, they are actually bigger in size. Eye mouth ratio, no PLJ. And don't worry about the fin, as I said, maybe few days or couple of weeks, they'll be all fine. And my blue base also, my golden highback also will have blue tint. And this fish will have 25 to 30% color. You can see the rim, 25 to 30% color will be there. And Even RTG also gets red color. Any golden arowana variant you take, the bottom tail will be red in color, and here this tail will be black in color, and rest all will be the same. Even you buy 24K golden also, you will have light, not compared to so much, lightish tint of red and black. So that is their common. All golden arowana will have the same way. And this is your super high back. We have 6 inch, 7 inch, and 8 inch also. Yeah, you can just visit my website for video or a catalog or anything like that. You will enjoy. We have 8.5 inch also. And what is the difference between them? Nothing. 6 to 7, 6, 7, 8, everything is the same. And yeah, next fish I'm gonna show you is gonna be super highback golden. And now you are seeing a super highback golden. I would say if someone wants to, you know, a beginner fish or anything, go for super highback golden. Just 500 rupees difference between them. I would say super highback is the best. Highback or super highback. You can come over here. Let me show you. You can see the bluish tints. My super highback is one of the best. And yeah, all this video is taken under normal room light. I have not even turned on any LEDs or anything. See the fish? And this rim, individual rim, this fish will have around 40, 35 to 40, 45% of gold color, and the base color will be, and the base color, this particular fish has base color of bluish purple. This is around 8 inch plus. Look at the body width, and this fin you see starts from here till the, yeah, reaches here. Very huge fins, and we have even more. So if you wanna, if you are interested, you can just visit my website. Premium grades. And this is 24K golden B. Yeah. So my 24K golden B is equals to others 24K golden A. So yeah, coming back to this description, this fish will have 5.5, almost 6. You can see from top. Let me show. Oh, you can see this fish. So it will have full shine on top, and the percentage of the color will be around 50%, 55% on every rim, and the base color will be anything like purple, blue, as I discussed. So this is 24K B. See the pattern. Yeah. 10% golden head. But this is not, we don't consider this as a golden head. We consider this as 24K B. Yeah. This is around 7 inch, 8 inch. I have all sizes. You want smaller one also, I have smaller one. Yeah. Yeah. So we have around 13, 14 varieties of arowana, and do subscribe our YouTube channel because our old YouTube channel got deleted, and this is our new YouTube channel. Do subscribe my YouTube channel for more information and knowledge about arowana. and I'm going to show you four more variety of fishes. And next I'm going to show you 24K A, and after that it's going to be 24K golden head B and 24K golden head A. Next super red. And these are 24K golden A. And yeah, you might question me how many scales this has. Every fish which is 8 inch, 7 inch in size, they'll only have 5 to 6 scales only. 5 or 6 scales. You should ask me question, how many scales does this fish has color? Here, you can come on top. You can see every fish has color on top, scales. And this usually they say crossback, but we don't have any crossback certification and all, so the company has given us 24K golden A. And yeah, this fish, but the reason why I got this fish, this is a blue base. In 24K golden with blue base. The base color will be blue. Very beautiful fish. This is 24K golden blue base, but this fish will have only 15% color in every scale, gold color. Rest all base color will be blue, purple or whatever it is. So what is the difference between this fish and RTG? Red tail golden is different. So RTG, which has blue base, also different. But this will have intense color, very intense color with chew. We call them as chew, yeah. So this is a 24K golden A, and next I'm gonna show you the 24K golden head B. And here these are 24K golden head B. Okay, around 6-7 inches in size. Very excellent fish. In this I don't have 8 inches, I have only 6-7 inch fish. Perfect body shape, everything is perfect, ultimate quality. And this fish will have around 75% color, and they'll have 25 to 35% color on head. And still they are young. I think if we groom this properly, very well, they will have a very good coloration. So this is 24K golden head B. If you want any more information about these fish, you can visit our website lifestyleaqua.com. I won't be pinging the website on my comment or description. Just go to Google and search lifestyleaqua.com and you will find our website. And below, if you want to know how to keep these fishes or anything, scroll down to my website. You will find blog. There you can see how to keep an arowana, how to introduce an arowana, what is the basic requirement for an arowana. So we have 3 blogs. You can have a look. Yeah. Amazing fish. If someone wants to upgrade from super highback or some crossback, go with this fish and learn about grooming. 24K golden head, then buy the A grade. This is golden head A grade, the toppest quality golden head. Complete golden. One rim will have 85-90% color on every rim. Full cross. Now they are only 5-6 inch fish. You can see they have 70% head already covered. Amazing fish. I love them keeping. But about 24K golden head, it's completely about skill. How much you know about them to make them look more beautiful. So white tank treatment, proper water changes. Oh, they will look amazing. And yeah, what will happen if I don't do all those things? You keep the fish healthy, and 80-90% color on heads. So you know what to do next. If you wanna do, just order the fish on our website, and we will make a video call, and you can choose your fish, and again we'll make a video and send it to you. And next, yeah, all my fishes are trained on pellets, so you don't have to worry anything about training them on pellets or anything. And we have a Malaysian food for Arowana, which is of high protein, high nutrition value, overall health. But I would recommend people to feed the pellet up to 10 inch. Once it reaches 10 inch, feed them prawn, marine prawn, not the venami. Feed the marine prawn, and that marine prawn is always nutrition. And the fish, the color, and the result will be always amazing. Trust me, feed marine prawn. But don't feed marine prawn now, because now they need. I want the fish to have complete nutrition value. So I would say feed them pellet. There are so many arowana food. Assumingly, let's come back to the calculation. Hikari, ARG2, and so, etc. food. You see the price of the food. 200 gram, 250 gram, 1500, 1350, 1800. Our fish food price is 250 gram for 1500. Keep this aside. And there are some other product which is 450, 500, 600, 800 rupees. What is the difference between that pellet and this pellet? Yeah, the raw material cost. When you have a protein powder or anything, raw material, A grade, topmost quality raw material will cost more, and the average quality raw material will cost you less. And when you use average quality raw material and you give them food, easy to sell, everything is, but the fish will not get good nutrition value, because these are carnivorous fish. The content and the raw material of the food should be very good. That's why I would suggest people to buy hikari, or if you can buy fish food from me, you can buy. If not, you can use hikari. So hikari food might take a bit time, 2 days or 3 days time to take food. But my food instantly they'll start taking, because here I feed the same food. And we do sell our fish food on our website. You can also have a look there. And next fish I'm gonna show you Super Red, Indonesian Super Red. And here is our Indonesian Super Red, high potential fish. These fishes are from Indonesia. Size is around, this is around 6 inch, 7 inch almost, and the smallest one we have is exactly 6 inch. You can see the tail color. And yes, let me explain you about these fish. Many ask us, will this Super Red turn blood red or pure red, anything? Because most of the time they see Super Red just to be yellowish orange or orange, that's all, not red. I'll tell you the facts, and this is about grooming the fish. So we have the highest potential of Super Red. It doesn't mean you just buy highest potential Super Red, grow the fish in your tank, and wait for coloration. No, you can't do that. You have to groom it. How? From 6 inch, don't use any tanning light. Let the fish grow peacefully. Start tanning from 10 inch. So 10 inch in the sense, our fishes are raised by giving good quality food. So my fish size will be way more bigger than their age. So I would say now, assumingly, let's consider this fish is 1 year old. Okay, this is almost close to an 8 months old. Let's consider this as 8 months old. So start tanning in 1.5 year. So from 8 months, so 1.5. So after 1 year exactly, start tanning this fish with 2700 Kelvin light. Use T5 or T8. Don't use LED. Use T5 or T8. 2700 Kelvin. Why that light? That is soft tanning. Starts from there. So all the fish color, base color will start getting yellow. Not red. Starts from yellow. Use the tanning light for 1.5 year, close to 2 years, and next start tanning the fish with 1500 Kelvin lights. That's the next level of tanning. Use T5 or T8, 6500 Kelvin. All your fish will turn orange, and the percentage of the color will be 85-90% if you follow my instruction. 85 to 90% of every scale will have color. Next step, use the same tanning light till 5 years old, till your fish is 5 years old. So basically in 5 years your fish will be 20 inches to 23 inches. Once that's done, buy T5 or T8, 13,000 Kelvin, like more than 12,000 Kelvin, 13,000 Kelvin light. Tan the fish from side, and within 6 months you will have blocker red. And from then you just keep tanning the light with it for next 2 years. So total 7 years of process. Once you complete every step, 7 years, you will have a masterpiece in your aquarium. So it doesn't mean you buy a premium genetic red arowana and you dump it in your tank, you give them food, you grow them, and you will, eventually the fish gets color and you are not happy with the color. No, you have to have a skill, technique, and dedication on patience on grooming these reds. Not only this red, any arowana you take, if you want 100% best out of it, I would say you need patience and skill to know and learn about grooming them. Okay, I don't want to do all the stuffs. I just want to keep a red arowana. Take this fish, raise it, keep close to your windows so natural sunlight falls at least half an hour, 1 hour, or 2 hours a day, and you will have pretty good fish. No, I want full blood arowana without grooming. Then you should buy a 7 years old or 5 years old plus fish, and that's gonna be way too expensive. Trust me, way too expensive. And if you are interested, our prices are very reasonable because of our quality, and we make sure we give the best fish. And see, assumingly, when customer is ready to spend 25,000, 30,000 rupees, if I can get the good quality fish by paying around 5,000, 6,000 rupees more, I would definitely buy the good quality fish. Reason, instead of bluffing to customer, convincing customer to buy my fish and raise it, you will get color in future, that this. Instead of doing that, instead of spending time on that, I would say take this fish, very beautiful, buy this, you will be happy. Simple. Instead of getting cheaper quality fish, convincing customer to buy from me, it's more easier to buy premium quality fish, and no need to convince customer by saying my fish will be that, my fish will be this. Easy to sell. So I want to do my part, easy to sell, because I have very less stuff. So yeah, you can visit my website, more about this. And next I have golden head blue base. Yeah, this is our golden head blue base stock. I'll show you from top. Complete head color, 100% golden head. Fully crossed. Yeah, this is our blue base. This is all, what to say, groomed fish, golden helmet. You can see the head color, 100% head color. Thirteen inches. 13-inch fish. And the smallest one we have, 12-inch. Thirteen inches. Here's a fish. Look at the beauty. And yes, have a nice day, guys. Thanks for watching this video till end. I wish you good luck. Bye bye.